All right, gel press fans, look what I made. This is a canvas grocery bag that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And these are all little pieces of my beautiful textiles that I have collected over time. But I'm going to show you how I painted or colored these fabrics. So keep watching so you can find out how I did this. All right, we're going to try something here. One of the prompts for February was fabric art. So I've got these Royal Talens art creation acrylic paints here. I know it's not fabric paint, but if you've ever gotten acrylic paint on your clothes, does it come off? No, it does not. So I'm going to we're going to do a little bit of mixing here on this gel press. Because I want kind of a pink. I don't want that really, really bright magenta color. So let's see what's going to happen here. So I'm going to spread this out. I don't care that it's choppy in color. All right, so there we have it. Take this piece of trim, pushing down with our fingers. All right, so we've got a double thing going on here. My fabric trim, my crocheted trim, has color on it, as does my gel press. All right, so let's do another color. Let's this time just do yellow. Roll that over top of there. Has it totally dried? Nope. But I want some of that yellow on my trim here. So let's try this again. So as I said, this is kind of a dual purpose thing. Yeah, I want prints that'll be used for something else, but I also wanted a way to try and color my fabric. I'll put this here over top. Give that a little bit of time to stick together. And then here is our piece of lace, which has, you can see the pink and the yellow with a little bit of orange. All right, so let's see what we get. So that is pretty cool. Had a little bit of purple left on my gel press, but I'm happy with that print. Let's make up a little bit of green. So we're going to put some blue on here. And we're going to do a little bit more of the yellow because we want green. Bring these colors together. Wow, look at that green. Right, so let's spread this around on here. It's fabric that has raised texture on it. I'm over here on the side kind of wetting it because I do want that color once it gets on here, because it's not fabric paint. I want it to spread. So we have this. I'm going to spritz it a little bit more. All right, I'm going to set that aside to dry over here. Add a little bit of the blue got over here. And I'm very, very gently floating this brayer over top, trying to not pick up any additional paint. All right, okay, so here is our wet piece of fabric. We've put that blue down. Now we have the green and the blue. All right, so I'm going to put this white over here. Kind of brayer it around. I'm going to apply a very light layer of paint onto the gel press. Put this piece of paper down. Soak up all of that goodness. And I have this, and I know that white's on there, so I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of that onto my piece of fabric here. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I love what I do. All right, let's see what we get for a pull. Oh, that is so cool. I love it, I love it, I love it. So you can use fabric, crocheted things, lace, whatever you can find that has some type of texture. Don't you just love it? I do. I have the most styling grocery bag around. So once again, thank you for stopping by and watching my creative play here on my gel press. And until we meet again, stay creative. Bye.